You're not swallowing that whole, are you?
Zoe, did you just eat a big chunk of ice cream?
I did.
Wow.
I did. I just eat it.
Was
It was a really big piece.
Was it tasty?
I find another one.
Yep. Okay.
You hold the bowl. That's silly.
Mmm.
Wow. It looks pretty good.
Zoe.
Is it good? Do you have an ice cream headache yet?
No.
You're good? No headache? Oh, you're gonna drop some. Drop some right there.
Zoe, do you love ice cream?
No. You almost got it.
That's kind of gross. That's another big one.
Whoa, do it quick.
I got it.
You did.
I got it and
What are you gonna do with it?
I just it in my mouth.
Are you gonna eat it before it falls off your spoon? There you go. Oops.
It fell. It's right here.
Oh man, that's not.
Oh man.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
It's pretty good stuff, isn't it?
I found it.
You did. You're good at that ice cream eating. You're gonna eat ice cream always and forever?
I need it all.
You ate it all. There's still a little bit in there, I think.
There's some in there.
You gotta scrape it.
And Daddy put it all together in one spot. There you go. There you go. It's in one spot right there.
A spoonful?
Oh, I just I got it. I ate it all.
You did eat it all. Wow, you have no problems eating ice cream.
What if we told you that ice cream was made out of vegetables? She'd say, I don't care, it still tastes good.
There you go. Are you all done?
That sounds like it's the best thing you've ever eaten.
Why did I know it?
It's your teeth on the spoon.
What's that?
You know what it is. What is it?
I'm making handprints.
The prints from your spoon.
Spoonfuls of what's left in there?
What's that?
Just ice cream juice.
All gone. Say gochiso sama deshita.